Today we're going to learn a new spelling rule, and I need you to start by looking at the suffixes. Will you just say the suffixes with me, starting suffix z. Will you just say them with me? Ready? Suffix z. Suffix d, e. Suffix ing. Suffix e.
Suffix ness. Suffix less. Suffix ly.
Suffix z. Nice job, right with me. Okay, you might have noticed I put two columns up on the board here. One stands for vowel, one stands for consonant. Ooh, some kids knew it. What I want to do is take these cards. Cole, I'm not taking hands, you can just put your hand down. What I'm going to do is take these cards and split them into whether they're a vowel suffix or a consonant suffix. Now last year, I had a first grader who got kind of upset, James Parkett. I had a first grader who got kind of upset when I said this, and he kind of started to cry, and he said, "Miss Smith, how am I supposed to know if it's a vowel suffix or a consonant suffix? You never taught us that." Ay, ay, ay. It's actually super easy. All you have to do is look at the first letter. And if it's a vowel, it's a vowel suffix. But if the first letter is a consonant, it's a consonant suffix. Some kids already learned it. So your job is just to use your sign language to show me vowel or consonant. Ben, you look like you're right with me. Okay, here's your first one, suffix s. Would you show me, do you think that's going to be a vowel or a consonant? Okay, most kids super fast showed me it's a consonant. You could say it if you know it. It's a consonant. Okay, vowel or consonant? Suffix ly. It's a consonant. Good. Next one. Ooh, good quiet waiting. Thank you. Suffix ing. Just show me. Then you can tell me. It's a vowel suffix. Good. It starts with a vowel. Okay, would you look at this one? Thanks for showing me. Guys, the reason I ask you just to show me is because not all kids get the answer at the same time, and I want to give them time to think of what the answer is, so just show me. It's a consonant. Yep, thanks for waiting. Ooh, this one's kind of, maybe I'll save that one. That might be too tricky. Just show me. Starts with an E. It's a vowel suffix. Good. Okay, son, I'm in love with your arms, dude. Thank you. Just show me. Suffix less. It's a consonant. You got it. I need your arms up here, dude. Thank you. Okay, I saved this one for last because I don't know if you're going to know it or not. Suffix e. Give you a clue. It makes a vowel sound. Suffix e, e, e. It's a vowel. Okay, that wasn't as hard as I thought. So just keep that in the back of your head for a minute. We're going to come back to it later. Right now, what I want you to look at up here is the word sliding. This word sliding used to be spelled, the root word slide used to be spelled like this. S-L-I-D-E. And you might notice there used to be a tickle E. Yeah, some kids know it. But when I have it over here, S-L-I-D-I-N-G, I don't have the E anymore. Last year, Cash said to me, "Miss Smith, is that because you just don't like the letter E, so you got rid of it?" The answer is no. I didn't just get rid of it just because I don't like it. Nice job, that's what I'm looking for, thank you. There's a reason I got rid of it, and it's called the dropping rule. It's called the dropping rule. Right with me, thank you. Here's what it's going to look like. I need your chair scooted all the way up and your hands on top of your desk, just like Savannah, so that I know you're ready. There you go, thank you. Much better. Okay, here's how the dropping rule works. The first thing you have to do is look at the root word. I'm not taking hands. Ice plus E equals icy. Somebody knew it. Ice plus E equals icy. I want to spell the word icy like the icy ground in the winter. I have to do a couple checks. Does my root word end in a tickle E or in a letter E? The answer is yes. So I give it a check. Is Y a vowel suffix? And the answer is yes. So I give it a check. Here's the deal. If I have 2 check marks, yep, it ended in an E, yep, it's a vowel suffix, then there's a letter I have to get rid of. I'm sorry, letter E, you've got to go. You don't get to be in the word anymore. I'm going to drop you out of the word. Shh, it's okay. Shh, shh, shh. I'm dropping the letter E out of the word. When I spell icy now, this is how it looks. Icy still starts with I, C, Y. And that spells icy. And that spells icy. Right with me. I'm going to add a point for so many kids watching very closely. Thank you. Look at the next one. Bake plus ed equals baked. Equals baked. Right with me. Brianna, good eyeballs. That's what I'm watching for. Well, I first check. Does it end in an E? Yes. Yeah. Give it a check. Ooh, some kids knew it. Is ed a vowel suffix? Give it a check. Oh, I have 2 checks. It ended in an E. It's a vowel suffix. I'm going to have to drop you, little E, in the root word. I'm sorry, I know that's mean, but you have to go. Shh. It's okay. Okay. Now when I spell baked as a whole word, it's going to go like this. It starts on B. Maybe you could spell it if you think you'll know it. Starting B, it goes B, A, K, E, D. And we only use this E in the suffix. Nice job. Question, James?
It's kind of like the E's still there, but it's in ed.
But it's in the suffix, isn't it? Do you know what would be kind of funny? If I did leave this E in root word bake, watch what would happen. Bake, root, tickle E, and a suffix ed, it would look like it said bake, eed, bakeed. My mom baked me some cookies. No. We would actually just say, my mom baked some cookies. Last hand, Ethan.
It's kind of like the word baked, and then just D hopped on, and then it just added to the word.
Yeah, it just hopped over into the whole word, didn't it? Last one. Serve plus ing equals serving. Good job. Like I'm serving you a piece of cake. Does it end in an E? Yes. Give it a check. Is ing a vowel suffix?
Yes.
Give it a check. Show me with your sign language what letter we're getting rid of. The letter E. Will you, goodbye letter E. Will you spell the word serving for me if you know how it should go now? Starting S. Ready? S.
E-R-V-I-N-G.
Nice job. We're actually going to learn a little chant that goes with this. And all you have to be good at is sign language in order to do this. It's going to start if an E, and you'll show a sign language E. If an E comes in front, you're just listening, of a vowel suffix, and I'm just going to show the V for vowel. If an E comes in front of a vowel suffix, you drop it. You drop it. Good. Some kids knew where to drop it, and all we're going to do is get rid of it. You have to kind of be careful you don't bang your desk or your chair. You just drop it kind of carefully. So it starts if an E. Let's see who can try it with me. If an E comes in front of a vowel suffix, you drop it. You drop it. Good. Let me see. Ready to go. Nice job, sweetie. Run to the office. Run super fast. Go tell them. To tell them at the office. Okay. So here's what happens. Sometimes kids realize that it's kind of fun to drop the letter E. You drop it, and they just start dropping E's all over the place. Oh yeah, I'm good at dropping E's, but there's a problem. Because we don't always drop the E. Look at this. This word care plus less equals careless, like you don't care what happens, does end in an E. But look at suffix less. Starts with a consonant. I'll do it, I'm the teacher. Starts with a consonant. If it starts with a consonant, you do not give it a check. And if you don't have 2 check marks, you leave it alone. Ooh, some kids knew it. Which means when I spell careless, Leighton, you with me? Alexa, your hands are on top of your desk. Your eyeballs are up here. Which means when I spell careless, I'm actually not getting rid of anything. I'll show you. And I'm the teacher, so I'll spell it for you. It will go C-A-R-E-L-E-S-S. Okay, fine, smarty pants. So we just left the E in because I didn't have 2 checks. But look at the next one. Can I have everybody do a quick check that they're sitting just like Clayton or Ben? Actually, my boys row here has been a great example. Sabrina, that means your chair is scooted up. And James, that means your chair is scooted up. Thank you. Safe plus ly equals safely. I crossed the road safely. Give it a check.
Yep. Yeah.
That's a tickly. Is ly a vowel suffix?
No.
So you leave it alone. I'm not going to drop anything. Safe plus ly is spelled S-A-F-E-L-Y. And I left the letter E. So the second part of the chant, Presley, no smiling like you think you're so smart. The second part of the chant goes like this. We're going to say, but if an E, you're just watching. If an E comes in front of a consonant suffix, and we'll just show the letter C for consonant. If an E comes in front of a consonant suffix, you leave it. You leave it. Kason kind of read my mind because we're just going to join them together. Like, yep, letter E, you're right next to the suffix. Letter E, right next to the suffix. So watch again. It goes, but if an E comes in front of a consonant suffix, you leave it. You leave it. Good. I wonder if we could try the whole thing. Maybe kind of slowly first time through. It starts if an E comes in front of a vowel. Let's try the whole thing. Ready? If an E comes in front of a vowel suffix, you drop it. You drop it. But if an E comes in front of a consonant suffix, you leave it. You leave it. Nice job.